What is Bulgarian cuisine famous for? What is worth trying in Bulgaria? What to eat in Bulgaria to fully enjoy the traditions and culture of this country? A local saying goes that good food speaks for itself. It's hard to disagree with him because Bulgarian cuisine is undoubtedly one of the most delicious in Europe. Its character was greatly influenced by the geographical location of this country on the border of Europe and Asia, which allowed it to intertwine the tastes and traditions of dishes from neighbouring countries. There are clear influences from Greek, Turkish, Serbian, Romanian and Middle Eastern cuisine. It is this combination of multiculturalism that makes it delicious and varied. What is Bulgarian cuisine famous for? Mostly fresh ingredients. Many dishes are based on fresh vegetables, herbs, spices, rice, cheese and meats, such as lamb, pork or game. Moreover, Bulgarian fish dishes are considered one of the best in the world. While in this country, be sure to find out what kind of fish is in Bulgaria. Whatever your food preferences, there is sure to be something here for you. So, if you're wondering where the best places to eat in Bulgaria are Bulgarian cuisine, distinctive features. What do you eat in Bulgaria? The cuisine there is hearty and at the same time light. Most dishes are stewed, baked or steamed, and meat is usually grilled. The important ingredients here are yogurts and cheeses, which can be eaten as an addition to meals or on their own. The most popular cheese is Serene, a white and salty cheese made from sheep's or cow's milk. It is a bit reminiscent of the popular feta. Tomatoes in all types and peppers are added to many dishes. Bulgarians most often use garlic, chervil, hot pepper, caraway and thyme as spices, so their dishes are aromatic and expressive in taste. The dishes here are served with curdled milk, cow's or buffalo's milk, which is very valuable due to the presence of good bacteria cultures. In addition, Bulgarians love fruit juices and Turkish coffee, which is boiled with sugar over low heat, trying not to bring the infusion to a boil. The famous Bulgarian alcohol with percentages is rakia, prepared on the basis of fruits. Corn, millet and yeast wines are also popular here.